So today we're going to be talking about verbena.
We have a lot of baskets that it's beautiful. They have the verbena in them with the different calericolas and the petunias, but they require maintenance. So we're going to show you how that maintenance works, what to do with it, and how often.
Right, and yeah, verbena is a little bit of work, so just beware if you're getting a hanging basket or planting it up in a combination planter. Verbena does take some weekly maintenance.
Well, let's show what the verbena is, because maybe they don't know.
Right, very good. Okay, so this verbena is this real pretty multiple cluster of flowers and absolutely gorgeous. So you can see this is all verbena here. The magenta color
Right
that's
here.
real bright. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a stunning plant that will kind of poke out through all the other foliage and kind of semi-trailing or maybe a little bit upright.
There's also bedding lobelia that is going to be more...
Verbena.
I'm sorry, verbena.
Verbena,
That is
yeah.
going to be more upright.
Yeah. So one of the things that I like to tell our customers, when to clean up their verbena, we always say, that Fertilizer Friday, so that day that you're picking and out of the week that you're picking and you're fertilizing with the Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, that's another great day. If you have verbena, go through and just clean up some of the spent verbena. That way you always have fresh verbena throughout the week, because what happens is if you let it just all flower at once and you don't take care of it, guess what? The flowers are going to die down at the same time, just going through that natural cycle. They're all going to die down, so all of a sudden you're going to have all your verbena is going to be spent.
It's going to be greenery.
Yeah, and you're going to have a week or so of just greenery.
This is a great example of it. This is one that we have been cleaning up, and you can see the blooms are coming out from it.
Mm-hmm.
But then these are all brand new buds, all here. It's just loaded with buds, so it's going to be...
So probably within this week,
Right.
those will all be blooming.
So as these all start tearing off and we're ready to deadhead them, these will all start blooming, which will keep that constant cycle of a flower.
Fresh, yeah, for the fresh verbena. So let's show them. So what do the blooms look like that are spent? And these are pretty good because we've actually been really
Right here.
good at
I've
keeping
got
on
some.
top of this. So you can see these are spent, and that's done, and that's all you have to do to deadhead the verbena. You're taking...
It kind of looks like a little pineapple, right?
Yep, and so you're going to take that cluster of flowers off, you're going to nip it right off at the stem, so a little bit ways past where this cluster of flowers is, and just nip that off right behind it, and that way you're just promoting growth, but also getting rid of that spent flower, and your verbena will look great.
Can I show them this?
Sure.
I'm going to cut it all the way off. So I would normally just take it off right up here, but to show you, I want to take this whole thing off. And if you look at, here's my flower, and you can see these two right here are brand new blooms coming. So as he starts tearing off, I'm just going to clip the top off, and then those two will bloom out. So he wasn't quite ready to be taken off, but to show you just how it's going to send out two blooms coming out from the side.
Yep. So just taking that once a week and going through cleaning up your verbena. It's a little therapeutic to some people, but it goes pretty quick. For us, it's a kind of a daunting task.
That's because there's a lot of baskets.
When we have lots of hanging baskets that have a lot of verbena in them, it's darn near a full-time job of just going through cleaning it up. It's actually pretty easy to nip off, but you can certainly use a clippers to go through and, again, right behind that cluster of flowers, nip that stem right off.
Show them one that's like, this is just starting to bloom. Can you get that kind of closer?
So take a look. If you're not sure, take a look, and you might see color coming from these. They're little, like almost little tubes that will open up, and that's where the verbena flowers will come from. And if you see color at that tip, that's probably a new
You
new
mean the
bud.
green?
Yep, in the green, that greenery. So this is obvious because there's lots of flowers here, but if you take, I'm just going to nip one off here. So this is actually a new bud, and I wouldn't have taken this off, but I want to show you.
Here, I'll give
that
you a one.
there's a little bit of color at the tips of these, and once
Compared to that one.
once you look at it, it is kind of obvious that this one is brand new and this one is spent. And the telltale sign is some of these little blossoms that are dried up and are done. This is obviously done. Don't pick this one up because this is a brand new one. So once they start going, go through, clean it up, and you'll just have that fresh verbena all summer long.
And it will just make the basket look better because you won't have the spent flowers kind of hanging out.
Yeah. So that's really as easy it is. The care for the verbena is going to be the same as the rest of this with the, so this has petunias and calibrachoas in it in these combination hanging baskets and planters. But they love the full sun, just like the petunias and the calibrachoas. So you'll definitely want to keep this more in that full sun to maybe a partial, at least 4 to 6 hours a day of sunshine. And then watering, again, it's going to be really the same as the rest of them. We want to keep it moderately moist, not letting it go real dry, not being overwatered, so right down the middle. And then fertilizing at least once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. That keeps pushing those blooms out, so that you when you're clearing off the dead spent blooms, it's revitalizing that plant and giving it the nutrients that it needs to produce new blooms.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. We love verbena.
We don't like the cleanup of it
Yeah.
because we have a lot of them, but we love the look
Yeah,
of
but
it.
if you have a couple hanging baskets or combination planters, it's not daunting. It's a little daunting for us having thousands of hanging baskets and a good percentage of them being combination with the verbena. So that's a little bit quick tips on verbena care. You can find more tips and tricks, of course, at our beatyourneighbor.com website, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer can be found there. And be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe on our YouTube channel and check out the hundreds of how-to videos we have there. Thanks again. Have a good day.